Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to change the background color in Word. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's get started. To change the background color of a page in Microsoft Word document, go to the Design tab and select the Page Color button in the upper right corner. You can choose from the color schemes that are presented in this menu or take other fill colors and select the color you need. And so that your pages are not so boring, you can also select fill effects, and in the window that opens, select the type of gradient to fill so that the color changes smoothly and your documents don't look like others. Or you can choose something interesting in the texture or pattern tab, and if you want to see some of your own picture in the background, select the picture tab, choose select picture button, and for example add an interesting picture from your computer to the background of the page. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.